Good afternoon, meet again with me Tunik Pandey. Today I would like to do shooting test with my homemade wooden rifle, but this time I put mini laser on the top of it. So I'm very curious to know how it works and how accurate it is and how fast I can shoot. So for your information, I already put some target over there. So that will be the target. The distance is around 8 meters. So you can see over there. Okay, that's the target. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So now I will start shooting it. Okay, turn on the laser, spot it, and let's see how accurate it is. Okay, this time it will shoot, and let's try this one, and almost miss again. Let's shoot. Wow, my hand is a little bit shaky. Okay, so wow, this is very tiring. So as you could see, you saw back there, the wooden rifle is not so accurate, but the laser helped it a little bit, and I missed like 5 shots, but the laser is very helpful. So I hope you like the video, and if you like the video, please support my channel by subscribe and like, and stay tuned for the next video.